Dear learners, welcome to my channel English with Rahia ma'am. How are you, my dear learners? I hope you are well. And I am also well. In today's class, I am going to teach you about modifier for class HSC. That means for the examinee of HSC. And in today's class, you will see how easy the modifier is. Okay, so let's start our class about modifier. Here you see education dash is essential for development. Okay, you can see this is a complete sentence. Education is essential for development, but you have to use here an accusative. That means you have to give here anything which will give the information about education. Okay, so please give me some extra information about education. So what may be it? Of course, education, the basic human needs. You know we have 5 human needs, okay? And education is one of them. So you can write here on of the basic human needs. Human needs, okay? So what is education? Actually, education, one of the basic human needs, is essential for development. Okay, then you see we can improve dash mind. We can improve whose mind? Whose mind you can improve? Of course your mind. And here you see we, that means we can improve our mind. Okay, and here you have to use possessive. So you know we is subjective and us is objective, and what is possessive? Possessive is our. So what will be here? Of course our. We can improve our mind. Then you see and dash person has the ability. Dash. Okay, actually this, and you have to use here P modify the noun, that means any adjective. And you see here this is an, that means after that you have to use the adjective which starts from the vowel sound. Okay, and you know this is about educational passage. So what will be here? How person and dash person, that means an educated person. Okay, an educated person has the ability. What ability? You have to use here infinitive phrase. You know infinitive means at first you will give on to, and then the verb will be in base form, and phrase, that means after verb you will give any word, that will be infinitive phrase. So an educated person has the ability to distinguish between right and wrong. Okay, so here verb is distinguish, and phrase you will give here between right and wrong. Okay, then you see one can refine on sensibility. One can define one sensibility dash present participle. That means how we can refine our sensibility. Of course by receiving education, and here you have to use present participle phrase. Present participle means verb plus ing, and then you have to use phrase, that means any word after that. Okay, so once one can refine on sensibility, so you will use here receiving education. Receiving, this is present participle, and here education, and it is phrase. Then you see actually the educated are able to bring about dash pre-modify the noun, that means you have to use here again an adjective. And development, how development can an educated person can bring? Of course huge development, large development. Okay, so you will use here about huge development. or large, or you can also use all round development. Okay, on the other hand, that means on the contrary. Okay, that means very opposite. On the other hand, and dash person, that means it will be very opposite to educated person, and it will be an uneducated person. Okay, an uneducated person dash lags behind. Okay, and you have to use here pre-modify the verb, that means again adverb. And what will be that verb? Actually, the person who are very uneducated, they always lag behind. So you will use here the adverb always. Okay, then you see, so the educated should come forward, prepositional phrase, then educating all the society. Okay, so what will be the prepositional phrase? You will give one preposition here with, and prepositional phrase is here with a view to, and you know, after with a view to you have to use verb in with ing form. Okay, so here you see the educated should come forward with a view to educating all the society, to unload. What you have to unload? To unload the woes to the country. Here you see determiner, that means you can use here the woes, or you can also use here their woes. Okay, so you can use here the or there as a determiner. Okay learners, so my dear learners, see you again in our next class. Wish you all the best.